How to close and reopen multiple rooms for maintenance or cleaning in PMS. Hello Softinn PMS user. What would you do to your room allocation in your hotel PMS, when you need to arrange maintenance, or housekeeping for multiple rooms? Check out this video on how to close and reopen multiple rooms for maintenance or cleaning in PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the right property. Then, click Calendar. Click Close Room. You may choose the duration, then click Apply. Choose the affected room type, room number and the allocation type. There are miscellaneous, maintenance and cleaning available for allocation type. Once done, click Save Changes. A blue color cleaning column will appear on the specific date of the room. If you allocate the room to maintenance, the column will appear in gray color. Go to Room, then, click on the room status. If you hover over on the room that you closed, the room will appear in gray box, with a tools symbol at the corner of the box. When the maintenance or cleaning are finished, you may open the room. Go to Calendar tab. Then, right-click on the cleaning mark. Click Remove Allocation. Now, your allocation is successfully removed. You should see the blue color cleaning mark disappear from the calendar. Let's try to close and reopen multiple rooms for maintenance or cleaning now.
Thank you for watching this video. My name is Bashira. I'm an intern in marketing department and my role is to assist the designs and also the content in Softinn teams. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this channel.